I'm going to demonstrate how I've been teaching the kids to multiply 2-digit by 2-digit numbers. It is not the way that you and I learned it in the past, so let me give you a little demonstration. Usually, one of the strategies that I would recommend is for kids to break apart one of these numbers. 35 is the really friendly number to break apart because it has a 5 in it, and we know that 5 is half of 10, so we can work with that pretty easily. So I'd break this into two problems. The first being 24 times 30, pulling the 30 from there, and then we'd be adding it to 24 times 5, and pulling the 5 from here. Students would then solve these one at a time. So 24 times 30, well, that's still a little bit ugly. They might be able to do 24 times 3 and know that that's 72, and then you would pop on that 0. That's what we call that trick, popping on a 0. If they didn't know that, they could break it down even more and do 20 times 30, oh, there it is, plus 4 times 30, breaking apart that 20 and the 4. So they could also do that. That would be another step if they didn't know that 24 times 3 was 72. Then comes this step, 24 times 5. So 5 is half of 10, and we know that 24 times 10 would be 240 because we know about the Papa Zero trick. So then we would just cut that in half, and in this case that's really easy. It's 120. So then I get my two what are called partial products. A product is the answer in multiplication, and these are partial products, and then my job is to add them together. So 720 plus 120 is 840. And that is how you would solve that problem using the distributive property. I'm going to upload a separate video to show how to solve it using a different strategy.